So in order to log in into the software, we come to our main website, go to menu, look for software tools, and the software list login is where we come to. Once we click on that, we will actually come up to this page over here. So the software that we are looking for is Video Architect Taboo. We click on this link to log in. This page will come up. I'm using my son's ID and password to log in. Once I click on login, the software is here, Video Architect Taboo, and it's obviously an app that creates super modern and state-of-the-art video and square ads for social media. This is today one of the most accepted video formats available because it brings a lot of engagement, and a lot of the big influencers and businesses and brands are using these types of square ads that Video Architect Taboo produces. And the reason is really quite simple. It is because these types of videos are super mobile friendly. So let us just get right into it so that you can see it in action and see how it works. And as we do with the others, we just select any of these templates that we have available to start creating your videos in an instant. Since I already created one, I'm just gonna walk through this particular video that I created, one for my wife's beauty salon. So I'm gonna open it as if I am creating it from scratch again, and in order to do that, I'm gonna click on this button here as if I am editing that same video, but the process is the same as if you were going to select one of those templates. Scene number one, it is asking me to upload an image of this recommended size. What I will do, since I already did it, you see this is an image that I updated, but if you are gonna do it, you will come here, you will select any of the images that is already in my library. But if you have nothing in your library, you can browse into your computer somewhere and find your preferred image, select it, and it will appear right here. And then over here, you enter the title that you want in these boxes over here, and just basically click next. Okay, so you will be doing the same process over and over, which is really quite simple, and why using our line of Taboo software products such as this one, Video Architect Taboo, and the others that you will see in our website is very simple to use, because they basically all follow the same process. You follow from scene to scene. Depending on the scene, you upload a photo, you replace whatever wording there is, and you just basically click next until the end. Okay, the process is the same. Some templates have more scenes than others, but really that's all it is. And the only difference is that each of our Taboo software come with their own special deals or formats. For example, this is square format videos that is good for social media, and it's one of the most accepted video formats out there today because of its mobility. But we have obviously the story videos Taboo, basically all of this list here. Okay, but let me just go back over here. I can change the color of the text. See, it keeps changing when I select a different one. If I select this, okay, then again click next. Simple as that. I choose one of the tracks that I want to use. I select this one, EDM baseline, so that's the one that it's placed over there. So I'm happy with that. I click next and finish. Okay, in order to finish, you start rendering and your video will create itself and it will show up on your projects as completed within a few minutes. And that is what I did to produce this video. So right now I'm just gonna play it so that you can see the end result and how it became. Very cool, right? Obviously I'm just looking at here just so that you can see, but again you can download it to your computer so that you can watch it in a much better wide open screen. So that's pretty much it on how to use Video Architect Taboo. Thank you.